Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video, sitting postures of Yoga Asana, explained with few benefits of doing. Watch the video right now. Please subscribe and enable notification. Padmasana. Padma means lotus. When performing it resembles a lotus and best suited for meditation and reciting mantras. Sit cross-legged down on floor, right foot on left thigh, left foot on the right thigh. Hands on the knees in mudra position. Keep the spine, neck, head erect and keep eye closed and breathe normally. The benefits: it stimulates endocrine glands, useful to cure asthma, insomnia, hysteria, increase the appetite. Parvatasana. Sit in Padmasana, raise the arms vertically over the head, join the palms of the hands, breathe normally. By performing this, lungs, abdomen and spine become strong and healthy, improves the respiration, give relief to spondylitis. Yoga Mudrasana. Sit in Padmasana, put your hands behind and hold the wrist of one hand with the palm of other hand. Bend down slowly, touch the ground with forehead and hold a while. Exhale slowly as you bend forward. Inhale slowly as you raise your head. Get rid of indigestion, stomach alignment, stimulates the kundalini, stretch the spine, eliminates the abdominal plop. Swastik Asana. In this asana, legs placed such a way it resembles swastika. Sit erect, cross-legged down, with the right leg sole touches the left thigh, left leg sole touches the right thigh. Place the hands in mudra, close the eyes and breathe slowly. It increases the concentration, keep calm and cool. Mandukasana. The asana position resembles as a frog. Place the legs backward, feet touches each other. Stretch the knees and place the hands on between. Trunk straight, look straight, breathe normal. It reduces the weights of the thigh, hip and abdomen, strengthens the lower part of line, stimulates the digestive system. Simhasana. Bend the legs from the knees, sit on the heel, place the palms on the thigh. Begin exhaling through the nose and mouth, stretch the trunk out, keep the trunk erect and stretch all the face muscle. Widen the eye such a way face appears frightened. It increases the memory power, cures the tonsillitis, improves the voice quality, respiratory system, cures the abdominal and chest disease, cures the stammering. Janusirasana. It resembles Paschimottanasana. In this, one leg is extended. Place the left heel pressing the heart near the left groin. Keep the right leg stretched and straight. Hold the right foot with the hands. Exhale, lower the head. Place the forehead and chin on the knees. Benefits: kindles the gastric fire and helps the digestion, cures the kidney troubles, awakens the kundalini and removes the sluggishness and weakness. Paschimottanasana. Sit on the floor with the legs stretching front. Bend the trunk forward. Hold the feet with the thumb and first and middle finger. Exhale, bend the trunk lower so that head rests on the knees. The benefits: excessive fat around the abdomen reduced, tone up the intestine, improves the digestion, tone up the kidney, stomach, liver, cures the constipation, indigestion, liver disease and regain the elasticity. Gomukha Asana. Go means cow, Mukha means face. Asana position resembles cow head. Sit on the heel and folded left leg. Bring the right leg such a way right knee rests on the left knee. The sole of the right foot touches the lower part of the left thigh. Take the arms back, bend at elbow, lock the fingers in hook pattern. Breathe slowly, keep the spine straight. It benefits: flow of the oxygen increases, cures arthritis of leg, cures the constipation, back pain, arm sprain. Joints become flexible and strong. Uttita Padmasana. Sit in Padmasana, place the palms on the floor, the side of the hips, raise the body and hold a while and retain the breath. Lower the body with exhale. It strengthens the joints, muscles of the arm, cure the intestinal weakness, constipation, indigestion and drowsiness. Ardha Vakrasana. In this asana, upper part of the body is twisted and the spine and back muscles are stretched. Sit on the floor, left leg stretched, right leg bent, placed the side of the left knee. Keep the left hand on the left knee, right hand on the waist. Turn back, keep the trunk straight. Remain for a while. Repeat with other side by changing the legs position. It reduces the abdominal waist pain, cures the constipation and abdominal alignment. Vakrasana. It is a variation of Ardha Vakrasana. Sit on floor, left leg stretched and right leg folded, placed near the left leg knee. Press the left knee with the right arm, left hand placed back of the body with the palms on the ground. Stay in this position for a while. Repeat with the other side by changing the legs and hand position. The benefit: strengthen the spine, nervous system, open the Sushumna and Kundalini Shakti, cures the indigestion. And that comes to the end of my video. Please like this video and please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.